Ethical hacking is very vast. So if you are new to this field or want to start your career in ethical hacking, then it is very difficult to decide that what you should learn first and what is not required to learn. And due to this, many of the newcomers get confused and they end up learning unnecessary things. And due to this, they waste their valuable time and they get demotivated, and after some time they leave this field. So in this video we will discuss those top 5 things which you should definitely learn in ethical hacking and those things which you should learn first. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first thing which you should learn in ethical hacking is networking. So it doesn't matter whether you are an offensive or defensive security professional, networking is the base of the cybersecurity. So if you don't have the basic knowledge of the networking, then you will not be able to understand how the attacks are happening. For example, if someone is doing the penetration testing, so he should know the network of the client. So that was the first thing which you should learn, which is networking. You should have the basic understanding of the networking. The second thing which you should learn is Linux. So in the ethical hacking, most of the things you will do on the Linux operating system. So it doesn't matter whether you are doing penetration testing, reverse engineering, or you are doing digital forensics, you will always need Linux. So it's always recommended that if you are new to this field, then you should learn Linux. You should have a deep knowledge of the Linux operating system. The third thing which you should learn is programming. So programming is also very vast. Many of the people will say that you should learn Python. Some people will say you should learn C, C++, Java. So it depends on your interest. But if I talk about the general things, so I would recommend that you should learn Python, you should learn JavaScript. So these were the general things which you should learn. So these were the 3 things which I would recommend that you should definitely learn if you are new to this field. Now we will discuss the 2 more things which you should also learn, and these things you should learn after the 3 things which I just mentioned. So the 4th thing which I would recommend that you should learn is web application security. So once you have learned the basic networking, basic programming, then you can move towards the web application security. The 5th thing which I would recommend that you should learn is SQL injection. So SQL injection is very important. It is very important for the pen testers, it is important for the security analysts, and it is very important for the ethical hackers. So once you have learned the basics of the networking, basics of the programming, then you can move towards the SQL injection. And after that, you can learn all these things. You can go with the penetration testing, you can go with the reverse engineering, you can go with the digital forensics. It totally depends on your interest. So these were the top 5 things which I would recommend that you should learn if you are new to this field. And now you will be thinking that from where you should learn these things. So there are plenty of online platforms available on the internet from where you can learn these things. The best thing which I would recommend that you should do the online courses from those platforms. And along with the online courses, you should do some practical, hands-on practice on those things. So you can do the online courses and you can get the practical knowledge by using the online labs. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, then please comment down below. And if you want to get the PDF version of this slide, then you can get it from the website. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.